So ladies, today I'm going to be trying this Montrex 5-in-1 Smart Massager. It's a facial massager, also a scalp massager. I really like this product because I have tried it before coming on to you to explain to you all how amazing this product is. This is how the product is in the package. Where you open the box, it comes with this storage unit, which is absolutely beautiful. You just place it on top of it and put it wherever you want to put it. Also, it's waterproof, but that doesn't mean that you can immerse it into the water. Please do not do that. Don't immerse it into the water. It came with this 8 claw. This first set is for your scalp, and also the one for the face is this one. It's very easy to remove. All you have to do is to pop it out like this, and you place this inside. So you change the rest of the remaining 3 if you want to do your facial massage, or if you want to do your scalp massage, you just use this 4 that we already have. They all have different texture. This is a little bit hard, but at the same time it's soft. It's going to be soft on your scalp, and it did not tangle up my hair. I use it on my natural hair. Remember, I'm wearing a wig here, so this I used it on my natural hair. And also of course I tried it on my face while I had just toner on my face, nothing else, and that was it. I really like it. This is the charging unit. You just put it, it's magnetic, look at that. You put it and it's good to go. You just put the adapter and you're good to go to charge it. Also, this is where you turn it on. To turn it on, you have to press this place harder. That's the first level. This is the second level. And if you want the vibration part of it, you push the other button right here and it's going to vibrate. And this is how it is looking. It's my final thought. I recommend you look into this product. It's worth it. It's travel friendly, it's very light, and it's beautiful. Try it. Your scalp and your face will thank you.